Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to change color of the whiteboard in Canva. First of all, open up the Canva in your desired web browser. Now open the whiteboard from here. You can choose any templates from here, or if you have your own design you can add here. Now drag and drop anything in this. After that, to change the background of this, click on this, or you can select everything and click on colors. Now choose the color according to your liking. You can see that everything has been changed accordingly. You can also select individually. If you want to select this one and change the color of it, only select this much. You can also change the color of this text in here. Simply select how much text you want to change and choose the color from here. You can see that the color has been changed. So that is how you can change color in whiteboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.